Welcome to our channel where we explore the future of passive income through the power of AI algorithm.
Hi there, welcome back to my channel. This is Moment to Shine. Today we are diving deep into the realm of passive income and how AI algorithms are revolutionizing the way we build income. I want to bring you this. Just imagine earning money or making money while sleeping, traveling, or even while bench, or even watching your favorite shows. That is the promise of passive income. And with AI algorithm, it is becoming more achievable than ever before. And with this trend of AI algorithms, they are not just reshaping industries, but they are also creating opportunities for everyday individuals like you and me. Whether you are an investor or just starting out, I just want to tell you that there is an opportunity or a passive income stream powered for you by AI. From algorithmic trading that analyzes market trends in milliseconds to AI-driven real estate platforms that finds the best investment properties automatically. And with AI, the possibilities are endless. Let me give you an example of John, who decided to take and use AI algorithm to predict the stock market movement and turned a modest investment into a thriving portfolio. And Sarah, who leveraged AI to automate her rental properties, freeing up her time while increasing her profits. So here, the key is to leverage AI algorithm to work smarter, not harder. Whether you're interested in dividends, royalties, or capital gains, AI can optimize your investments and generate consistent profits. It is not about only investing, but AI can even automate content creation for royalties, predict market trends, and even manage your online businesses autonomously. So, what is your opinion of using AI algorithm for your passive income? Drop your comment below. We would love to hear from you. Remember, building passive income with AI algorithm requires learning and adopting. Stay tuned as we still explore different strategies and case studies that can help you get started. Thanks so much for watching today's episode on Moment to Shine. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and also like for more insights into building passive income with AI algorithm. Until next time, stay curious and keep on exploring.